Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over how to place a limit buy on cryptocurrency using the Robinhood app on a mobile cell phone. Okay, so here on my phone, this is an Android running version 9.0. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Robinhood app. In the Robinhood app, as soon as it opens, I'm going to scroll down to cryptocurrencies. Or you can just hit the magnifying glass or the search icon down in the bottom in the middle. And you can go into the trending lists and click on crypto. Under crypto, it's going to show you the 7 cryptocurrencies that are currently on Robinhood as of today, Friday, May 14th. As you can see, the cryptocurrencies are coming back up, and all you have to do is decide which cryptocurrency that you want to buy. Let's see, looks like Ethereum Classic is coming back up and doing pretty well. So I'm going to go into the Ethereum Classic. It's at $1.08. and 17 cents. Once you're under the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, you can scroll up and down. You can read the recent news down at the bottom if you'd like, and you can check out the whole page to give you more information to make sure that it is something that you want to buy. Now you're going to want to click on buy. And you're going to want to go up here to the top right where it says market order. You're going to want to click on that and go into limit order, where you can buy that particular cryptocurrency at a maximum price or lower. So you're going to want to set the limit price. Here where it says set limit price, specify the maximum amount you're willing to pay per this cryptocurrency. It shows you here where the exclamation point is under the market price that it is currently $108.70. That usually moves up and down. There we go. It went up to $108.74, $108.63.67. So I'm going to put the limit price at $108. I'm going to make sure that I add my decimal and make sure it's $108 flat. I'm going to hit continue. Now it goes on to the next page, and it shows your amount available that you have. It is asking you for the amount in Ethereum Classic. Basically, it wants you to put the decimals in. The second line item here shows the limit price. So it's going to buy it at 108, my estimated cost. Now the estimated cost will change with the decimal amount or the partial market order if I don't want to buy a whole one. Like if I was going to buy a whole one, it would be $108, but I don't want to buy a whole one, so I'm going to do a decimal and say I'm going to do 0.01. So I'm going to get basically 1% of a whole one. So it's $1.08. I'm going to go ahead and hit review. And here it basically goes over your whole limit order ticket. And it says how much you're going to pay. It'll be executed at $108 per share. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swipe up to submit it. It's sending the order. The order has now been placed. Now here it shows quantity purchase 0, total cost 0, because it is the pending quantity of 1% of the limit price of $108. Commissions are free. So I don't have to pay anything to make this trade. Now I can do this buy and sell as many times as I want with cryptocurrency on Robinhood, and they won't consider it as day trading. But that is how you place a limit order on Robinhood. Now once the price drops back down to $108, it will automatically place my order and buy that for me. As you can see, it's still at $108.50, 54. It's going up and down now. But if it does go back down to 108, then it will automatically purchase. As you can see, I have my candles pulled up here, and it was showing defiance right there around the 108.56 at this red candle, and it's kind of flattening out. So I expect within the next minute or so for it to start going down towards that 108 that we put on there. But that is how you set a limit purchase order on Robinhood for cryptocurrency. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave comments in the comments section below. If there's anything that you guys would like me to make a video of, please remember to comment. And I look forward to seeing you again soon here on my channel. Thanks.